Hello everybody, I am Jaideep Mundhra from Bikaner POLYMERS Private Limited. We are manufacturers of PET cans and can seaming machines. Today I am displaying semi-auto tabletop head rotating machine. In this machine, the machine head rotates. The can will remain stationary. So if you have any product which can break while rotation, so you can use this machine to avoid any breakage of any food item or any product. I'm going to demonstrate this machine. This is a semi-auto tabletop head rotating machine. We are providing 1-year warranty Godrej motor. This machine can be operated by pedal also. You press this, then also this machine will work. I am showing a seaming process in this machine. You can see this can is sealed. I am pressing the can and there is no leakage. Machine is very smooth, very fast. It's a 2-roller head rotating machine. Our new RTC 200 RTC can is being sealed. You can seal any liquid or solid products in the cans. 100% food grade cans. For more information, please contact us. Numbers are provided in the below description. Thank you.